Hi guys, today we have Linda Tanaka and Shoji Nakajima and Seiko Shirafuji. Konnichiwa, minasan. I am very pleased to see you guys in good health. This ukulele lesson by Zoom, I believe, is that more important for JCCC to reconfirm your status duo under these terrible pandemic circumstances rather than my lesson itself. So let's relax and try to enjoy, okay? Today is the first lesson of the series, and I'm intending to have a meeting every week, same time, for 8 weeks, 8 times, okay? And I believe that you looked at the songs I've sent out to you, and song number 10, Tiny Bubbles, is the first teaching material for today. And some of you knew this song or heard it before, but in any case, I'll play it for you first, and then we play together. Okay? You look at the music sheet, you find G clef first at the left hand side, farthest left, and that's the G clef, and then key signature, which means flat. One flat is the key signature of this song, which is F major. And next one is the 4/4. This means four means quarter note. Quarter note means quarter note, 4/4 note in one bar. 4/4 notes in a bar, in one measure. Measure is the bar, or measure is the, the vertical line divided the music. And from one vertical note, vertical line to next vertical line is called one bar or one measure. Okay? And in this case, on top of that, it said the quarter note is 1/16. This means almost double the half of the minute. If it is a quarter note is 60, that means 1 second per quarter note, means down, down, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, that kind of thing. But 1/16 is almost double of the 60. So this means this is the tempo for this song. And we use 6 chords. Among them, I guess B flat and B flat minor is a bit difficult for you guys to play. But okay, I talk about it later. And I will play it for you first. One, two, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, tiny bubble in the wine, make me happy, make me feel fine, tiny bubbles, make me warm all over with a happy, make me feel fine. Tiny bubble, make me more over, with the feeling that I'm gonna love you till the end of time. So here's to the ginger lady I gave to you today, and here's the kiss that will not fade away. Tiny bubble in the wine, make me happy, make me feel fine. Tiny bubble, make me warm all over, with the feeling that I'm gonna love you till the end of time. I'm sure some of you guys heard about this song, eh? It's a famous Hawaiian song. And I wonder if you noticed that I stopped play couple times. That means you don't play, but you just sing. So like this, fade away, tiny bubble. So it's called tasset, T-A-C-E-T, tasset. It's part of music. You don't play, but it's part of music. It's called tasset, okay? And B flat. B flat is you play this way, this and this with first string, second string. You, I mean, third and fourth string, you play with your forefinger, and you position your with the forefinger, and the second fret, second fret, second string is positioned by middle finger, and the first line, third fret, you played by not a pinky, a ring finger. So like this. Okay, a bit difficult on the two finger on one, but that's it. And B flat. Oh, before you go B flat, you go like this or like this, same thing. You put more feeling on one and third and the fourth strings, but you bar, this is called bar. You put your finger on the whole fret. And B flat is take your middle finger off. That, it's more cheerful sound. It's a little bit minor sound. So this is a B flat minor sound chord. And if you do, you know, you will learn later on, but there's a seventh chord. B flat seventh chord, you only take ring finger off. That's a B flat 7. If you take middle finger off, that's B flat minor. Okay? It's a little bit, so it's convenient for you to bar here instead of you just do like this. 2 fingers on the third and fourth, but like this is a much better, convenient for you to play, because you take middle finger off, it becomes 7, B flat 7, okay? All right, now let's play together, all right? It said 116, but I think I should play 100. Quarter note is 100, means this. Wow, what's happening? Okay, that's something wrong. Okay, anyway, a bit slower than the quarter note is 100 about, okay? 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Tiny bubble in the wine, make me happy, make me feel fine. Tiny bubble, make me warm all over, with a feeling that I'm gonna love you till the end of time. So here's to the golden moon, and here's to the silver sea, and mostly here's the toast to you and me. Tiny bubble in the wine, make me happy, make me feel fine. Tiny bubble, make me warm all over, with a feeling that I'm gonna love you till the end of time. So here's to the ginger ale I give to you today, and here's a kiss that will not fade away. Tiny bubble in the wine, make me happy, make me feel fine. Tiny bubble, make me warm all over, with the feeling that I'm gonna love you till the end of time. Okay, from the fourth line from the top, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm sorry, fifth line. Fifth line, it said a chord of F, and in the quotation F, C7, F, and then outside of the quotation it said F7. This means first time and second time you play F and F7 2 beat each. And then the very last one, you play bam, 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 C, C7, F, C7, F. That's the ending. All right? Do you have any question? Okay. Let's hear about it. Okay? That's for now.